Have you ever wondered if there's a hidden formula for success that doesn't involve slaving away for decades at a job you don't love? What if I told you that the Bible, yes, the ancient scriptures, contains secrets to financial freedom that most people overlook? Today, we're diving deep into one of those secrets, revealed by the wisest man to ever live, King Solomon. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to Faithful Narratives. Here, we explore biblical wisdom, ancient mysteries, and timeless truths that can transform your life. Let's unlock the path to prosperity together. Now, let's uncover the truth about wealth, wisdom, and what God truly desires for you. In today's world, the path to success seems clear. Get an education, land a stable job, work tirelessly, and hope to save enough for retirement. This system, while functional, often leaves people exhausted, disillusioned, and wondering if there's more to life than just paying bills. The Bible offers a radically different perspective. In Proverbs 8 verses 18 to 19, Solomon shares wisdom that challenges this cycle. With me are riches and honor, enduring wealth and prosperity. My fruit is better than fine gold, what I yield surpasses choice silver. This isn't just poetic language. Solomon is revealing that true prosperity comes from aligning with God's wisdom. Unlike fleeting material gains, this prosperity endures and brings honor, peace, and fulfillment. It's important to address a question that often arises: does God want us to be wealthy? Some believe that wealth contradicts humility or spirituality. But the Bible paints a different picture. In Deuteronomy 8 verse 18, we're reminded, "But remember the Lord your God, for it is He who gives you the ability to produce wealth, and so confirms His covenant, which He swore to your ancestors, as it is today." God doesn't just permit wealth, He enables it. Wealth is a tool, a resource entrusted to us for stewardship. When used wisely, it can advance His purposes, provide for our needs, and bless others. But here's the catch: wealth gained without wisdom often leads to destruction. That's why Solomon emphasizes that true prosperity is deeply tied to justice, diligence, and a heart aligned with God. King Solomon didn't simply inherit wealth, he earned it through divine wisdom. His reign was marked by unmatched prosperity, and he left us a treasure trove of insights. Let's break down his blueprint for lasting wealth. 1. Wisdom is the foundation. Proverbs repeatedly emphasizes the value of wisdom over material riches. How much better to get wisdom than gold, to get insight rather than silver. Proverbs 16 verse 16. Wisdom is not just knowledge, it's the ability to make sound, godly decisions in every aspect of life. Solomon's wisdom helped him discern opportunities, manage resources, and maintain peace in his kingdom. For us, seeking wisdom might involve educating ourselves about finances, seeking counsel from mentors, and aligning our plans with God's principles. 2. Diligence multiplies wealth. Hard work isn't about endless toil, it's about intentional effort. Solomon highlights this truth in Proverbs 10 verse 4. Lazy hands make for poverty, but diligent hands bring wealth. Diligence means setting goals, staying disciplined, and consistently taking steps toward your vision. It's the kind of effort that grows businesses, nurtures investments, and builds legacies. 3. Justice secures stability. Wealth gained dishonestly doesn't last. In Proverbs 13 verse 11, Solomon warns, "Dishonest money dwindles away, but whoever gathers money little by little makes it grow." Justice isn't just about fairness, it's about living with integrity in all financial dealings. When we act with honesty and fairness, we build trust, foster strong relationships, and create a foundation for sustainable success. 4. Generosity opens the floodgates. Solomon understood a principle that seems counterintuitive: giving leads to more abundance. In Proverbs 11 verses 24 to 25, he writes, "One person gives freely, yet gains even more, another withholds unduly, but comes to poverty. A generous person will prosper, whoever refreshes others will be refreshed." Generosity reflects God's character. When we give, we align ourselves with His purposes, and in return, He blesses us beyond measure. Not all wealth is created equal. Solomon makes a clear distinction between riches that are fleeting and those that endure. Temporary wealth is often built on unstable foundations, luck, greed, or short-term thinking. It's like building a house on sand: when challenges arise, it crumbles. Enduring prosperity is grounded in wisdom, diligence, and justice. It grows steadily, withstands adversity, and provides lasting peace. Jesus echoed this principle in Matthew 6 verses 19 to 21. "Do not store up for yourselves treasures on earth, where moths and vermin destroy, and where thieves break in and steal. But store up for yourselves treasures in heaven. For where your treasure is, there your heart will be also." True wealth isn't just about money, it's about a life aligned with God's eternal purposes. Here are 4 practical steps to apply Solomon's wisdom. Let's take Solomon's teachings and put them into action. 1. Prioritize wisdom. Spend time studying God's Word, learning from others, and seeking divine guidance. The more you understand His principles, the better equipped you'll be to make wise decisions. 2. Be strategic. Plan your finances carefully. Create budgets, set goals, and explore ways to grow your resources, whether through investments, entrepreneurship, or side hustles. 3. Live with integrity. Let honesty and fairness guide all your dealings. Trustworthy actions build credibility and attract opportunities. 4. Practice generosity. Look for ways to bless others with your resources, knowing that God will multiply what you give. Ultimately, God doesn't want you to be bound by financial struggles. He desires for you to experience freedom to live purposefully, bless others, and glorify Him. The road to prosperity isn't about chasing wealth for its own sake. It's about seeking God's wisdom, living with integrity, and using what is given you to make an impact. So, what will you do with these insights? Will you continue the endless grind, or will you step into the wisdom and freedom that God offers? Take the first step. If this message inspired you, share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to Faithful Narratives for more biblical insights that can transform your life. God's wisdom is the ultimate roadmap to success. Let's follow it together.